So hi everybody and welcome back to the C++ tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 331, and in this video we want to talk again about the move constructor. We already talked about the implicitly declared move constructor, and now we want to talk about the implicitly defined move constructor. And the difference here is that the definition adds a function body to the declaration, and this has here two requirements, separate requirements from the declaration. The requirements is first, the implicitly declared move constructor, this one which we already talked, is not deleted and is also not trivial. And these two requirements are listed here separately, which we will do in separate videos, but for this part here, we'll read a little bit on and see what it is performing here. It says here, if this requirement is met, then for union types, we have not talked explicitly about unions, but it's similar to class and structs, then the move constructor here, which is defined, will perform a copy, a special kind of copy, which is this std mem move. This is a bitwise copy, but the question is, wait a minute, why not use just move semantics? And the answer is this special bitwise copy is faster even than the move semantics, because here the compiler can optimize it so that it can perhaps even avoid copying, because like I said, it's a special copy, it's in the memory and optimized. So the next thing here is for all other normal classes, structs, which we know, there it will perform the move semantics member-wise in the initialization order. All right, with that said, this is almost finished, and we have here just one more thing. It says here the constructor, the move constructor, can also be treated as a const expression move constructor, but it has again requirements, and the requirements is it should be suitable for const expression. What was again const expression? Const expression means compile time expression, which means this here, if you want to assign a value, for example, to a const expression variable, then you can do it only at compile time, which means before you compile your code, and you can't do it at runtime. Let's make here a counter example. If we use a lot of time the word const as well. Const, you can assign at runtime a variable, but here you can't. All right, this is that for the implicitly defined move constructor. Again, now we will talk about the requirements in the next videos. And if you have any questions, like all time, write in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye and good luck.